Come on, y'all. Sing along with me. Big, big fun whenever I can. Don't you understand? I work for a living. I have big, big fun whenever I can. Don't you understand? I work for a living. I have a real good time with friends of mine. I work for a living. Oh, I have big, big fun whenever I can. Don't you understand? I work for a living. I have a real good time with friends of mine. Working hard night and day. These hard times won't go away. Bitter times, what can I say, are here to stay. I'm taking care of basic needs. I got a king size, not the feed, and there's nothing left for me. I work for a living. I have big, big fun whenever I can. Don't you understand? I work for a living. I have a real good time with friends of mine. I still remember back in early May, me and some friends took a little holiday. I couldn't relax, everything was so tight, and the same old dreams each and every night. People marching, gotta keep the pace, can't fall behind in this rat race. Just fall in line and stay in time, never get behind. I work for a living.